Hi, I just was watching some videos about people having water leak in their van, and, and they never knew about it till it was too late and they have to tear the whole thing apart. So I decided I'm going to make something which sense that water that is inexpensive and, and workable. So anyway, I have bought this moisture sensor, which I have taken apart in here, that has two tabs on the bottom. So when the water hits those two tabs, the buzzer goes off. Now, unfortunately, these tabs, as you see, they're not really, you have to have enough water for it to sense. So that means the water has to rise so much. Anyway, so I did not like the idea of how they were made, but at least I have the circuit board. So what I'm doing is I took it apart and I basically attach two wires where those two points are. Very simple circuit, thank God, easy to open. Anyway, so you can do the same thing. Just run two wires coming out, and then what you want to do is just put it back together. Now these two wires, what you can do is wherever your water system is in the van, you can run two wires, not copper, probably stainless steel, okay, around all the critical areas where there would be a chance that there would be a water or water puddle or anything. So I just run those wires parallel, not touching because the buzzer goes off. Okay, so figure out the way to run those wires parallel to each other, very close, maybe about half an inch apart. Just run them through, like a snake. Just run them through wherever the wire is going to be and wherever you have room. And then figure out the nice way of connecting this. And what you can do is you can tin the wires, solder them, tin them out, attach them with some kind of crimper to the stainless steel wires, and then basically mount it so it doesn't move around and breaks to the floor, and just put it back. Make sure you test it, make sure that once you put it back together it works. You can also drop a couple of water between those two contacts, make sure it actually functions. And this would provide you with the alarm that you would need in case there is excess moisture collecting down there, whether it's from the leak or from something else, that eventually would lead to mold problem. Anyway, I hope this is helpful to you guys, van builders. And if you have any question or comment, send it my way. I would appreciate it. And that's